smiling at the camera. It's hard to find someone who wasn't afraid of injections as a child, right? But have you ever wondered how this little injection or vaccine protects our body from major fatal diseases like polio, measles, or even corona? The science behind it is fascinating. Today, in this episode of Nash Science Explained, we will learn the story of the extraordinary training of our body's defense system. I'm sure after watching this video, both your understanding and respect for vaccines will increase. To delve into this mystery, we first need to get acquainted with our body's own army. This army is our immune system, and the main soldier of this army is the white blood cells. Their job is to guard our body day and night and fight against any external enemies, such as viruses or bacteria. When an unfamiliar enemy enters the body, this army recognizes it and begins preparations to destroy it. But the problem is that when a new and powerful virus or bacteria attacks our body for the first time, it takes our immune system quite some time to recognize it and create the right weapon against it. And within this time, the germ multiplies significantly in our body and we become ill. We get fever, cough, or pain, which are actually signs of our body's battle against that germ. This is where the vaccine's role comes in. A vaccine is a kind of training manual or drill for our body's army. Scientists create a vaccine using a very weak, dead, or only a part of the virus or bacteria for a specific disease. This weak or dead germ cannot cause any disease in our body, but our immune system recognizes it as an enemy. It thinks the real enemy has attacked. Consequently, it starts creating a special type of weapon to fight against it. This special weapon is called an antibody. These antibodies work much like guided missiles, attaching to the specific enemy and neutralizing it. Not only that, some soldiers of our immune system, called memory cells, remember the appearance of that enemy. They are our experienced soldiers, ready for the future. Later, when the real and powerful virus attacks our body, our pre-trained memory cells immediately recognize it. They quickly start producing a massive amount of antibodies. In this combined attack, the real virus is destroyed before it can cause disease. And this is how we remain protected against that specific disease without becoming ill. This state is what we call immunity. So, let's quickly review the whole process. The vaccine introduces a weak or dead version of a disease germ into our body. Our body recognizes the germ without any harm and creates antibodies and memory cells. Later, when the real germ attacks, our body, being prepared, quickly destroys it. So, you understand that the vaccine essentially trains our body's own army in advance, turning them into a champion, ready to fight against diseases. If you liked the video and learned something new, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Let us know in the comments what fun topic in biology you want to learn about next. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the Nash Science Explained channel for such simple explanations of science, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and keep learning.